to show you our new campervan conversion on the Toyota Alphard, and this design is also suitable for the Toyota Vellfire. Firstly, our main difference between this car and the Nissan Elgrand that I showed you in a video previously is that this car is a little bit bigger. This allows us to fit in 2 swivel seats, which we are the only ones on the market to do so. This means families can sit together facing the table, they can enjoy a nice meal or some card games when they're away on their holiday. Also, we're still able to keep our previous design, so when the fridge is still accessible when the bed is open, and you can just use it while everyone's getting ready for bed. Here on the right side of our van, we have our storage units. Here at the back we have our biggest one, which is easy accessible with the sliding door. We have a shelf in the middle here. You can store all your larger items. Then underneath this counter we have more storage. Here we have a small one, which is still really wide and tall, so you can fit a lot of things in there. And also there is no wiring, no backs of a water tank, nothing, so there won't be any obstructions when you're trying to store all your gear for the camping. At the bottom here we've got another cupboard, but this one's open, so anything you need, like maybe quicker access to, you can put in there. And then we have our main one, also with a big door. As you can see, we have smaller like shelf dividers in this one, so maybe you can put in canned foods in there, any like smaller products. Then we have our fridge freezer. This is still accessible, like I said before, when your bed's open. And underneath our seats we have our magnetic kickboard, which, as you can see, opens up, and this allows a lot of storage for bigger items. Say you're going to bring fishing rods, any like boxes, you can fit underneath there. Here above our counter we have a lamp and the USB port, and under these 2 glass covers we have a gas hob, and under this one we have a sink. These glass covers allow protection for your hob and your sink, so when you're travelling nothing will get rattled inside, it won't get damaged, and also they work as a extra workspace. You can put stuff on top of it without, you know, your hob being in the way. Here we have the table. This is foldable, so you can take it out, and also when your bed's open the table can still be open, it can still be accessible. As you can see now with the bed open, we have still full access to the table and the fridge, and our campervans are most likely the only ones on the market that allow this access. Here is the back of our campervan. The bed's still open, as you can see. Underneath we have the main storage. Under the bed, so many items can fit under there, and it covers up with the magnetic kickboard. And on the side here we have our newly fitted locker. Here on the other side of our van we have our service bay. As you can see, we have our 20-litre water tank, and because it's on the outside it's really easy access, so if, say, it was on the inside like some other vans have, you may spill it, it's really heavy, it's not very convenient. So us having it on the outside makes it much easier for camping. And as you can see, this is the back of our fridge freezer, and also because it's on the outside it gives very good ventilation to the fridge radiator. Under the water tank we have a fuse, a leisure battery and some sockets, and we also have a split charger at the bottom. Here we have our panoramic pop-top roof made from the highest quality marine grade fabric. Our internal frame is finished with high gloss, and with its big size, which is the widest possible for this van, we've still managed to keep the original Toyota Alphard lighting inside. We have 3 massive windows, all can open, and as it's panoramic, it means the whole thing can be open and you can have the view of the outside.